Dito yan, oh. Yung bathroom. Ganda din eh. Malinis. Gusto ko dito mag-stop ng restop kasi malinis siya. Ang ganda din eh. Pwede ka maglakad-lakad. Pahinga dito pag malayo ang drive mo. Dito ka magpahinga. Pwede kang matulog dyan. Nandito o mga trailer ang parking din dito kami kasi may anuhan ng aso. Hindi pwedeng dalhin mo yung aso dyan. May lugar talaga para sa aso lang. Bakit na? Mali yata yung pinasukan ko. Pwede pala ito. Paikot. Nandun yung sasakyan namin. Ay. Paikot pala. Dito kami nag-parking. Bakit hindi maliwanag yung aking video? Nandito kami yan. Nag-parking kami dyan. Pwede kang maglakad din eh. Nasaan kaya yung... Wala dito sila. Nandoon pala. Pinaihi si Kit-Kit. Pinaihi si Kit-Kit. Tingnan mo yung nagbabike ko. Yan, nagbabike sila dyan. Nandoon yung sasakyan namin. Nakatabi ng mga trailer. Hi, Kibo! Hi, Kibo-Boo! You done? You done, Pee-Pee? Oh my goodness! You're a good boy. Okay, here, over here. You're not going that way. You wanna use the bathroom?
What's that?
You wanna use the bathroom?
I'm alright.
You alright?
Yeah.
Oh. Right ko. Cat, over here, Cat.
Let's go.
Okay, tingnan mo dahil yung mga na yung gamitin ng travel. Tingnan mo yun. Look at there, oh. That's very cool. They put the baggy in the top. Ayan. Ang ganda. Ganito yung ano ko. Tingnan mo guys. Yung toys nila doon sa taas. Ang talaga ng Pinas. I-stop lang kami may view ng bathroom. Sumakay na sa taas. Ay! Tulon kit! Oh my goodness. Ha? Tingnan guys. Ay, hindi ko mabuksan. Yan. Ganyan dito, mga tao. Dadala yung ganang mga toys. Tapos pag doon sila matulog, may trailer sila eh. Yung iba, malayo talaga yung biyahe nila. Wait, Kit, wait. I need to put my seatbelt. Where do you go come out? Do you wanna go round? Or you go that way?
Yeah, we had.
Okay.
You go out here like that.
You find a friend, Kit?
Yeah, this one up here.
This is a nice dog.
Yeah, they go. They said they think he's Pomeranian because of the fur.
No, that's kind of no more here.
But they both like each other.
Oh yeah, he's jumping. He's jumping in the trail motorhome. So you can sleep here. You know, if you get tired, you wanna parking that way. I think it's kind of quiet, no, huh?
Yeah, get away from the road.
This is a nice area. I like
Very nice,
I
yeah.
like this.
This is our favorite.
My favorite stop restop. No, huh? And big room, clean. That's very nice.
See the mountains there,
The
mountains
mountain, the side, this is Nevada already, huh?
there. Yeah,
Nevada, the side is California.
that way. Well,
That
yeah.
way, they pass already.
Yeah, the bottom comes up like at an angle. Yeah.
Okay, do you wanna go? Do you wanna go out in the freeway? See? You like the nice toilet over here, Kit?